Okay, let's see elif condition with continue keyword. We can take while loop. While true is equal to while true can run infinite times until we will break them. Here student score is equal to some int of input of entire number. We can take if condition. Why? Because of student score is under 100, not above 100. That's why we can take this condition less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 100. This condition is true. It can go to if-elif-else. That's why. If this condition is false, it can print this statement. Okay, let's see. If student score greater than or equal to 90. Why we can use continue keyword? As what is continue keyword? Go back to the start. Go back to the start of the loop and ask input again. That's why we can take this continue keyword. Okay, let's run the program. I can take some 1 2 3, enter invalid. Why? Because of the score is greater than 100. That's why it can run again. That's why we can use continue. Some score is 99. It can give grade A. Why? Because of score is less than 100. That's why it can give